Simplifying complex fractions. A complex fraction has a fraction within a fraction. One way to simplify is to write it across instead of vertically and then do division. Here's an example of a complex fraction. Notice they look a little scary in that form, but we can rewrite it and we'll just write it horizontally instead of vertically. This line means divide. So 5 over 24 divided by 1 over 12. And then we realize, well, that's just division of fractions. We know how to do that. Remember, we have to change the division to multiplication and invert the divisor. So our first fraction will stay the same. Our divide will change to multiply, and our divisor will flip over. Once we're in multiplication form, remember this is where you can cancel on the diagonals, if anything will. 5 and 1 only have 1 in common, so that's no help. On the other diagonal, we have a 12 in common. 12 will divide into both of those, so we'll divide by 12. 12 into 12 will go 1 time, and 12 into 24 will go 2. And now we'll multiply across. So for our numerators, 5 times 1 is 5. And our denominators, 2 times 1 is 2. And the 5 and 2 do not have anything in common, so it is reduced and it is now simplified. Here's another example. 3y over 11 divided by 1/2. So we'll write it across as divide. Now that looks a lot more familiar. Remember, division we change to multiplication and invert the divisor. So your first fraction stays the same. We're changing to multiplication and our divisor is going to flip over. Once we're in multiplication form, that's where we can try to cancel on the diagonal. On this diagonal, 3y and 1, they only have 1 in common, which doesn't help. On the other diagonal, 2 and 11 have nothing in common. They're both primes. And so we're ready to go ahead and multiply numerators. 3y times 2 will give us 6y. And multiply denominators. 11 times 1 gives us 11. 6 and 11 have nothing in common, so there is nothing else we can do. So just remember, for the complex fractions, you can rewrite them across instead of up and down, and then it will be something that you are familiar with and will be easy to do.